Hello, Garber Bands. I'm coming to you obviously live from the Garber Band Room on a Tuesday for a Friday video. It has been a busy few days for the Lewis family. But I did want to talk to you about some things. So real quick, I've got a bunch more of you guys turning in some stuff on Sight Reading Factory and Smart Music, but I'd like to get more of you doing that. Right now we got about 60 or 70 that turn something in each week. I'd like to get that closer to 100. The other big thing, guys, is playing your instruments. I can't stress that enough. If you can get your instrument out, play along to some songs you know, or find some songs or songs off the websites we've given you, that would help out a lot. Freshmen, I've heard from about half of you, so I need to hear from the other half of you either tonight or Wednesday. Try to email me or text me by Wednesday, please. Seniors, we're about done with the fight song video. I got almost everybody handed in their video. Andrew's in the midst of putting it together. So once we get it, we'll put it on the website, the school website and the band website. And I also have your plaques. Your plaques came in. So whenever we're done with this social distancing and I can see you guys, I will have plaques for you along with some other stuff. So can't wait to see you guys and catch up with all of you. All right, I want to talk a little bit about what's coming up with marching band. So there's a lot in the air, as you all know, with marching band. And just school in general. What are we going to be able to do in the summer? What's school going to look like starting next year? That's all up in the air. So at this point, I would like to proceed like we're going to have our normal marching band season with camp in the summer and you know, regular band when we start the school year. So we've already started the drum major process, and we're going to try to finish that in the next week. So I'm going to post something on Google Classroom once it's ready to go, so we can do our normal drum major process where we watch them march and conduct and then vote on the candidates. I'm also going to send out an informational packet, or not an informational packet, just an informational letter regarding camp. I'm not sending out the form because I need to wait and see what decisions are made about the summer. But I am going to send out a letter that has the dates, the schedule, and just some general information. If you guys don't know, I mean, it's been on the schedule, but the camp is Sunday, August 2nd through Friday, August 7th, which is usually what it is that first week of August or that last week of July. As far as a show, I'm in the midst of putting 2 or 3 shows together. Once I get those shows together, I'm going to do kind of like we did with the drum majors. I'll do like a Google Classroom assignment with the different songs you can listen to, and then you'll vote on it, and we'll, you know, pick a show. And then once we've picked a show, I'm going to get the music to you. I'll send it electronically so you guys can start looking that over. Drumline, we'll see. I have an audition ready to go, but I want to see kind of where we're at, and then hopefully in the next week or so I'll make a recording of it, but I need to figure out how I'm actually going to go about the process of doing the drumline auditions. So that's kind of what's going on for marching band for so far, as well as we know, and as I get more information, I'll get it out to you. But look for some stuff regarding the show, look for the letter, and look for the drum major stuff all coming out probably in the next week to 10 days. Okay, a couple quick things. I had some questions last week that I put out there for those of you who wanted to participate to answer. So the first question was, what's your favorite Star Wars movie? And Empire Strikes Back won by quite a large margin. The next one was New Hope and then Return of the Jedi. And then there was a few on these last 3 that just came out, and there was a few on those first 3. But it was mainly those. So that was that one. My personal favorite is Empire Strikes Back. Mr. Ormsby's personal favorite is Return of the Jedi. As far as a restaurant, I had a bunch of people with a bunch of different answers for what restaurant they want to go to when they're done with the quarantine. But there was actually a 3-way tie between Applebee's, Olive Garden, and Genji. So my question of the week this week is, are you a Spartan? Are you a Wolverine? So are you a Michigan State fan or are you a Vim fan? If you're neither, that's fine, but if you have a strong feeling about one or the other, send me an email or a text, let me know, and I'll tally them up. All right? Okay, gold stand. Again, I'm going to give out a gold stand. This week, the gold stand is going to all the seniors. So seniors, you've been an incredible class. Obviously, we didn't get to end it the way we wanted to, but you're all getting the gold stand. And Mr. Lewis got creative. You know how I am with arts and crafts. I'm a master at arts and crafts. you know, bulletin boards, things like that. So I did kind of spice it up a little bit. So here's the gold stand. You're all going to get a picture. I'm going to text you a picture of the gold stand. But here's the gold stand. As you can see, it says congratulations. It's got 2020 on it, and it's got a picture of you guys. That right there is about the max for me when it comes to arts and crafts. All right, guys, have a great week, and hopefully I'll talk to you soon. Bye.